This 2020 Forest River Flagstaff 8529 RKSB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wills Point, Texas, 75169 and is offered for sale by ExploreUSA RV Supercenter, CANTON, TX. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 5, slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by ExploreUSA RV Supercenter, CANTON, TX, visit RVUSA.com.